Forna Cork Flooring's Salami pattern conveys an organic appearance. The pattern is noted for its gorgeous palette of oranges, browns, ambers, and hints of peach. Quite a warm color scheme, these tiles are full of movement, and as no two tiles are exactly alike, a finished floor will transform the space of installation into an inviting visual symphony. Salami tiles brighten and lighten, creating a cheery and cozy atmosphere. Soft underfoot, this floor is ideal for the open living concept where gathering together is a must. Our 12mm or 1/2 inch thick planks are available as a floating floor installation. Made of 6mm or 1/4 inch thick agglomerated cork and reinforced with a high density fiberboard, these planks are not only rigid but able to take some pretty tough traffic. Even better, this installation type makes for less prep work and is less labor intensive. With a cork floating floor, a beginner could take it on as a weekend DIYer project. Cork has been used for flooring for over a century, bringing with it the visual appeal of wood in a material with a softer give that brings comfort similar to a carpet. How? The answer is in the very genetics of cork. Made up of millions upon millions of airtight cells packed together, similar to a honeycomb, you get a product that is, in itself, a wall or barrier since it's full of trapped air. Those same cells create a cushion effect, like memory foam. Cork compresses with pressure, then regains its shape when the pressure is removed. Stepping on a cork floor is an experience unlike its competitors. Softer than hardwood and stone, but without the coarse texture of carpet, cork is comfortable to stand on for long periods of time, but doesn't store dust and debris like carpet. Come visit us today and order a sample of our Salami cork flooring. In glue-down form or floating floor design, this dynamic pattern is sure to make you feel the groove.